Hello kids. Today we will do sound words I. Now read the words with me. D-I-P dip. Z-I-P zip. T-I-N tin. B-I-N bin. P-I-G pig. N-I-B nib. P-I-N pin. B-I-B bib. Now we are going to do an assignment on sound words I. You have to match the picture with word. First picture is bib. So match it with bib. B-I-B bib. Next picture is dip. So match it with dip. D-I-P dip. Next picture is pig. So match it with pig. P-I-G pig. Next picture is nib. So match it with nib. N-I-B nib. Next picture is bin. So match it with bin. B-I-N bin. Next picture is tin. So match it with tin. T-I-N tin. Next picture is pin. So match it with pin. P-I-N pin. Thank you. Have a nice day.